In this video, I'm going to show you how to watch YouTube and use other apps on Android phone. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now to get started, launch your phone settings, then go to search. Because this feature is on different occasion in different phones, we are going to search it here. So search for picture in picture. You are going to see it there on the search result, so you are going to tap on it. Then it will land you here. So you are going to search for YouTube here on this list. So as you can see, it is at the bottom there. Tap on it. Then you need to enable this button. You need to allow. So tap on that button in order to allow it. Then once you've done that, you can now close settings. Then you can now go and open YouTube. Then once you are on YouTube, you are going to swipe the side of your screen. Then this bar will appear. So you can choose the app which you want to use while on YouTube. Or if you do not see the app on this bar, you are going to tap at that icon at the bottom of the bar. Then you can search for the app which you want to use. So let's say if you want to use Google Chrome, you can search for Chrome there at the top. Then tap on it. Then you can use Google Chrome while YouTube is playing at the background. So that's really it, guys. That's how to watch YouTube and use other apps on Android. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.